Welcome back. Happy Friday. Let's look at the weather forecast ahead of this long Thanksgiving weekend. So let's start with the daily almanac. The wind today traveled west-southwest at 24 kilometers per hour with gusts at 39 kilometers per hour. We saw the sun rise at 7:21 a.m. The sunset tonight will be a little earlier at 6:13 p.m. and the pressure today 101 kPa. The temperatures at Dawson Creek, we reached a high of 23 degrees. That's breaking a record of 21 degrees in 1988. But be careful because over the weekend the temperatures are about to drop. So I hope everybody really enjoyed that 23-degree high today. In Chetwynd, the high was 21 degrees, again, on par with the record high of 1988. Fort St. John, a high of 20 degrees. We're breaking records here as well. And then Fort Nelson was cooler at 12 degrees. Now let's take a look at the regional forecasts. In Grand Prairie, temperatures are expected to reach 4 degrees tomorrow. There's a chance of precipitation there. And then there's a chance of flurries in Spirit River with a high of 4 degrees as well. Chetwynd, the high will be 3 degrees with precipitations. Fort Nelson, a high of 5 degrees. There's going to be some high clouds. Similar conditions in Hudson's Hope, but a degree lower. And then in Tubler Ridge, it's going to be 1 degree tomorrow. And again, there is going to be some sun, but mostly there is going to be some flurries as well. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John tonight. There is a low of 1 degree expected, again with a chance of precipitation. That rain may stick around Saturday with a high of 3 degrees and then a high of 0 degrees. The low is -7. So just ahead of Thanksgiving, maybe stay inside and watch a Blue Jays game instead of going outside because it's going to be fairly cold. And then on Monday, a high of 6 degrees. There is a mix of sun and cloud. On Tuesday, the high is 11 degrees. It's going to be sunny though. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Dawson Creek. Tonight the low is 2 degrees and again the chance of precipitation. Similar on Saturday, a chance of precipitation there as well and a high of 3 degrees. And then similar to Fort St. John, a high of 0 and a low of -7 degrees Sunday. Some clouds, some sun. The sun may help, but still it's going to be way cooler than it was today. And then on Monday, a high of 6 degrees, mix of sun and cloud. And then we're back to temperatures above 10 degrees at 11 and sunny conditions on Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the province of BC and Alberta. There's going to be 16 degrees tomorrow, but it's going to rain in Calgary. Edmonton will be cooler at 8 degrees. There is going to be some sun peeking through the clouds and some precipitations. Prince Rupert, temperatures are expected to reach 7 degrees with a chance of rain. Prince Rupert, a high of 11 degrees. It's going to be sunny there. But Vancouver, the high is 14 degrees, and there is going to be some rain there as well. Now let's take a look at the national forecast, and I'll be right back with sports after the break.